Have you ever missed an important message on Instagram because you didn't have message requests enabled? With the new update on Instagram for PC, enabling message requests is easier than ever. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate this feature, ensuring you never overlook a potential conversation again. First, let's get started by opening your Instagram account on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your profile. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Clicking on this will open up additional options in your settings. Next, proceed by selecting Settings. This will direct you to a new page with various options related to your account. From the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage all your notification preferences. Now, to access message requests, click on Push Notifications. Here, you can customize how you receive alerts for different interactions on the platform. Finally, look for the option labeled Message Requests. Simply toggle this option to enable it. With this setting activated, you will start receiving notifications when someone sends you a message request, letting you connect with new people more easily. And that's it. You've successfully enabled message requests on Instagram for PC. Now you can enjoy seamless communication without missing out on any important messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.